Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, my friend Dave from Dave's Wreaths and Things is joining me to share what he also came up with in 60 seconds. So click on his link down below after this episode. How about we get started? Come on, Dave. All right, I have all my supplies ready to go. Let's start the clock. Here we go. And so I'm starting out with some Hobby Lobby scrap paper. It's some buffalo check. And I've got a 5x7 frame from Dollar Tree that has a white mat inside of it. And I'm using these rub-off letters from Dollar Tree. It's a whole big thing of all kinds of words, and welcome was in there. And so I am putting that onto the mat. I'm hot gluing that on. And I love the natural wood of the popsicle, so I don't even have to paint that. And I just put it on the mat there, and we're going to put it all together. And look how good that looks. I love it. Now I'm just using one of the sunflower signs from Dollar Tree. You know, they're metal and has a little welcome sign or welcome thing on top of it. I just took it apart. And then I have these Walmart little, what do you call them, knobs? I don't know what you call them. And so I've got one. I'm just going to stick it right on top, and that completes it. I have 2 seconds, 1 second. Time is up. I am loving this so much. I love the yellow with the buffalo check. I think this is the perfect little piece to start us off for late summer, early fall decor. I love sunflowers and apples and all of that for August and September. And so I hope that you enjoyed this 60-second DIY to set our mood for early fall. I love it, and I hope you do too. And thank you, Dave, for joining me today. And don't forget to click on his link down below to see what he's up to for 60 seconds. It's pretty cool. You'll love it. And thanks you guys for joining me for Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. I'll see you Saturday for a full episode of some late summer, early fall projects. See you then. Bye.